Now, no prizes for guessing that India is the fastest to vaccine 4 million people. But did you know that vaccinations in India have actually dropped sharply, and at this point we are exporting more than we are vaccinating? Sukirti tells you.
18 days into India's vaccination drive, and the numbers have seen a dip again. In the last week, India's daily vaccinations have gone from 5.7 lakh to 1.8 lakh, and the number of average beneficiaries per site has also decreased in the last few days from 57 to 49. Experts suggest that India will have to do a lot more to achieve its targets.
If we have to vaccinate 60 crore doses, which is 30 crore people in next 6 months, we will have to very rapidly increase the pace of vaccination. The average pace will have to be 33 lakh doses to be given every day. For this, government must open more and more vaccination centers, allow other volunteers who want to take vaccination to receive vaccination in priority basis, and if government is not able to manage this, then even allow private sector to allow vaccinating the citizens.
Vaccination of frontline workers has now begun. As scheduled from the first week of February, states like Gujarat, West Bengal and Punjab have already started it, and the rest will start by the end of this week. But government officials admit that the dip in numbers is largely due to vaccine hesitancy, and the spike seen earlier was due to introduction of walk-in vaccinations.
Earlier we got numbers of those people who were really eager to take the vaccine. So initially we got that response in big number because people wanted to take the vaccine. So they were really, looking for the vaccine, and as it was available, so they came. But then gradually over a period of time it was vaccine hesitancy which has set in, and that's how people are, not able to come, because there are different, they suffer from, I think, lot of, issues related to vaccine hesitancy factor needs to be addressed also. The sites also have to be really proactive in terms of, whenever there is an immunization day. Now for Delhi we have made all the days for immunization for this COVID-19 vaccine, but we have to make sure a day before that, the call goes to every person, and if, the people are not going to come, then we need to push this whole agenda further, and we need to call more number of people from the next list.
There are certain questions over India's vaccination drive. The government is yet to clarify when it will start vaccinations for the general public, especially senior citizens. Most countries across the world started their vaccination drive with seniors first. The centre last week said that it is engaging with the private sector and has received their inputs, but is yet to come out with a decision on how and when it will collaborate with them.
The Union Health Ministry today declared that India is the fastest country to reach the mark of 4 million vaccinations. It achieved the mark in 18 days. But India will have to pick up the pace of vaccinations to ensure that it achieves its own targets too on time. In New Delhi with camera person Xavier Thomas, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.